Welcome to Top Crew Aviation. This is Captain PK Yadav.
How do you read? What is the readability of my transmission? Now we would learn about readability scale, which is easy. So how do we use the readability scale, guys? Like if transmission is unreadable, we would use read you 1. If readable now and then, we would say read you 2. Readable but with the difficulty, we would say read you 3. Readable, read you 4. Or if it is perfectly readable, we would say read you 5. I hope you guys have understood now about readability scale. For example, how do you read me Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie? You may answer read you 1 or 2 or 3 or 4 or 5. As per the situation, we can use above scale. Alright. The next is I say again, meaning I repeat for clarity or emphasize, right? For example, Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie, stop pushback. I say again, stop pushback, right? The next is maintain, meaning continue in accordance with the conditions specified or in its literal sense. For example, Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie, maintain VFR. Alright guys. Next is negative, meaning no, permission not granted, that is not correct, not capable. For example, Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie, did you get any weather at flight level 100? Negative. Next is report. Pass me the following information. Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie, report your position. Now request, meaning I should like to know, I wish to obtain. For example, Delhi Tower, request for landing instructions. Next is standby, meaning wait and I will call you. Note guys, no onwards clearance to be assumed. The caller would normally re-establish contact. If the delay is lengthy, standby is not an approval or denial. For example guys, Delhi Tower, request taxi instructions, Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie. In case ATC is busy and wants to talk to you later, then ATC can use this phrase for you, Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie, standby. Whenever ATC is ready to give instruction, will call you. Till the time you have to wait for the ATC call. Let's say ATC is ready, he will call you back like Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie, taxi via Delta Foxtrot and hold short of runway 09. So this is how we or ATC can use standby. Unable, meaning I cannot comply with your request, instruction or clearance, normally followed by a reason. Let's say Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie, climb flight level 300, Delhi control unable due to heavy. Will go, meaning I understand your message and will comply with it. For example, Victor Tango Alpha Bravo Charlie, after landing, taxi to apron via Taxi Bay Alpha Charlie. Will go. So this is how we use will go. Now hold, meaning keep in place or condition. Correct, true or accurate. ATC may use it when any pilot reads back instructions. Monitor means listen out on frequency. Roger, I have received all of your last transmission. Note guys, under no circumstances to be used in reply to a question requiring readback or a direct answer in the affirmative or negative. So use Roger carefully. Now say again, meaning repeat all or the following part of your last transmission. Next is speak slower, means reduce your rate of speech. Reclear, meaning a change has been made to your last clearance and this new clearance supersedes your previous clearance or part thereof. Now out. This exchange of transmission is ended and no response is expected. Not normally used in VHF communication. again goes for over. My transmission is ended and I expected a response from you. Not normally used in VHF communication. You must have listened, guys, these words in movies over and out. Read back. Repeat all or the specified part of this message back to me exactly as received. So guys, do remember, for pilots it is necessary to read back instruction given by ATC. Last one is words twice. As a request, communication is difficult. Please send every word or group of words twice. As an information, since communication is difficult, every word or group of words in this message will be sent twice. So guys, these were the important words and phrases. Have fun with these, guys. Practice them as much as you can, and these are very much important for your part 1 question 5. They may ask you, and they have asked you so many times, like about acknowledge. You just need to write there, let me know you have received and understood this message. Means you just need to explain what does it mean, acknowledge, approve, break, whatever it is. All right, guys, and it will help you in your transmission as well as to get more marks in part 1 question number 2. Maybe you may get some sort of these words in your Viva part 2. Take care, guys. See you soon. Here you go, your checklist. Like, subscribe and share. Thank you for watching.